Doge, which pairs the Shiba Inu dog Kabushu with colorful fonts and childlike language like "such wow" and "very concerned," is one of the cryptocurrency community's favorites. With the introduction of Dogecoin, which was created as a joke in December of 2013, a new cryptocurrency category was created: meme coins, which are cryptocurrencies that associate themselves with a mainstream joke or pop culture reference. Following the introduction of the Doge meme, Dogecoin spawned an avalanche of cryptocurrencies featuring the cute pooch's image, making it the most popular meme for these types of cryptocurrency. As a result, inside the meme coin category, a new subcategory has emerged: dog-themed coins. So you're probably wondering what's going on. What are meme cryptocurrencies exactly? Moving forward, please take a brief moment, go down and click the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go to subscribe to stay connected. Most retail investors are familiar with Dogecoin and its derivatives Shiba Inu and Dogelon Mars. They have witnessed the boom of popularity firsthand in 2021. After tweeting about his interest in and support of Dogecoin, Tesla founder Elon Musk played a crucial role in why these cryptocurrencies soared and expanded last year. Pepe Cash, based on Pepe the Frog mascot, and Hold, also known as Hold On for Dear Life, are two other meme coins beyond the dog-themed coinage specialty. Well, we'll let you know everything you should learn about them first. Without further ado, let's begin. A brief history of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is widely regarded as the original meme coin, and while it was created to mock the irrational speculation that occurs in cryptocurrency markets, it quickly grew a following of its own. Dogecoin was seen by crypto fans as a means of new investors to learn about and experiment with the technology without having to worry about the larger stakes of Bitcoin, which had recently broken $1,000 per coin at the time. As a result, Dogecoin was marketed as a fun and friendly online currency, with the Dogecoin community being less concerned with the cryptocurrency's price and more interested in seeing the coin used in transactions that have been hailed as critical for cryptocurrencies. For example, a number of Dogecoin tripping bots appeared on social networking platforms, allowing users to donate modest sums of the cryptocurrency to others who liked their posts. Dogecoins were also used to collect funds for a number of worthwhile causes, like assisting charity, water in the construction of a well in Kenya, and sending the Jamaican bobsled team to the Sochi Olympics after they qualified but couldn't afford to go. The serious risks of investing in coins. While Dogecoin may appear to be a lighthearted initiative, investing in this form of cryptocurrency or other meme coins similar to it comes with a significant risk. Some meme currencies have a huge market capitalization, while others saw their price per coin surge dramatically in a matter of days, making some investors extremely wealthy and essentially communicating to others that they too may be able to do so. It is also worth noting that these meme-based cryptocurrencies are usually not serious long-term initiatives, and they are usually made by copying and pasting codes from other cryptocurrencies. They also lack strong developer communities, which are essential for keeping them secure and technologically current. Dogecoin development, for example, has come close to going under at many points over its history. Furthermore, many meme coins are owned by tiny groups of people with huge market-moving amounts of currency and thin liquidity pools. As a result, their prices are notoriously unpredictable, affected heavily by social media popularity and FOMO, which means the fear of missing out. As a result, meme currencies are particularly vulnerable to pump and dump scams, in which a group of major coin holders hype up the coin, encouraging others to buy it, thus inflating the price before selling all of their holdings on the open market. Buying meme coins. Despite the fact that meme coin markets are notoriously volatile, some investors continue to invest in them. Investors can buy meme coins on many of the same platforms they would use to buy more serious cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, whether they want to earn money by timing market pumps or just want to engage in a fun crypto insider market. Dogecoin, the oldest and most well-known meme coin, may be purchased, sold, and traded on leading cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase, Gemini, and Binance. Traditional stock investing and trading services including Robinhood, Webull, and SoFi have also started to allow their users to trade in cryptocurrency, including Dogecoin. Fun fact, when Dogecoin was initially published, slips of paper carrying private keys containing hundreds, if not thousands of Dogecoin were distributed at crypto events and parties as a method to attract newcomers to the community. When cryptocurrency reached an all-time high of roughly 70 cents in May of 2021, a paper wallet containing 500 Dogecoins, worth about 20 cents at the time, would be worth about $350. Other dog-themed cryptocurrencies such as Shiba Inu are also available on similar centralized trading sites, although some esoteric meme coins are not. Instead, interested investors will have to sign up for additional exchanges or learn how to buy these lesser-known coins through decentralized exchange platforms. For example, Dogelon Mars may be bought and sold on Crypto.com, KuCoin, and OKX. Meme coins have high brand recognitions. Brand strength lowers the cost of information. Cryptocurrencies, blockchain, NFTs, smart contracts, and other complex topics take a long time to master. Strong brands allow you to skip the learning curve. Nike, Budweiser, Mercedes, and Victoria's Secret are all brands you are familiar with. Meme tokens share similar characteristics and a sense of familiarity, allowing investors to feel confident in their decisions without performing the necessary research. Active community. The Doge and Shiba communities are among the most devoted and active in the cryptocurrency world. While newcomers may initially find solace in that support, such networks can quickly devolve into echo chambers of incorrect views, terrible ideas, and outright lies. Still, numbers provide comfort and security, which helps to validate financial decisions, whether or not they're reasonable. Hold on, please click the subscribe button to get updated of future uploads. Also, don't forget to leave a like. What do you think about these coins? Do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Now, let's get back to the video. Cheap entry point. Each of the meme-inspired cryptos discussed in this article are extremely inexpensive. Dogecoin costs less than 22 cents per unit, and the others cost less than $0.002. However, ultra-low pricing may deceive many new investors into believing that if they had a few 100,000 tokens, they may make a fortune. Unfortunately, in the crypto world, price does not equal value. Value is dependent on the complete zeitgeist of the asset's technomics. Unfortunately, a lot of new crypto coiners don't take this into consideration. Should you invest in meme coins? Make sure you have a strong financial foundation before investing in crypto, particularly meme currencies. You'll need an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, as well as to pay off any high-interest debt you may have, such as credit card debt. Furthermore, if you have a 401k retirement account with an employer match, you should concentrate on contributing enough to receive the match. Investing in meme coins may be beneficial depending on your risk profile. Meme coins can offer a minimal initial investment and large rewards for individuals that trade every day and have time to closely monitor the marketplace. Nonetheless, investors should be aware of the risks involved and conduct their own research of each meme currency they wish to trade. Consider the possibility of losing nearly all of your initial investment. Meme coins are not suited for those who want to engage in cryptocurrencies as a hobby or to store wealth over time, and it could be better to stick with more solid cryptocurrency assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Even the most established cryptocurrencies, however, are subject to significant volatility. Traditional investment strategies such as stocks and index funds are also more secure and reliable options for those who don't want to risk losing their money in the volatile cryptocurrency markets. And there we go. What do you think? Would you be interested to buy meme cryptocurrencies? Why? Let us know in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our latest content. Thanks for your time. Cheers!